Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nerd Cave. I got this really quick 3D print that I did. What I needed to solve the problem was a place to put these. I do most of my editing down here in the Nerd Cave. So I needed to print a headphone holder that fits to the table, like so. Place to put my headphones when they're done, because down here in the basement the floor is a little bit of a mess. Don't want anything laying on the floor, and put my headphones right there. So let's see what that looked like as it was printing. Well, there you have it. Quick headphone tabletop stand. Oh, I got one more problem to show you. Let me run out to the garage. I've got one more problem that I needed to solve. I was trying to change the oil in my golf cart, and boy, I could not get the oil filter off. So I thought, I could do the old mechanics trick, put a screwdriver through it, but I really need to drive somewhere tomorrow. Sorry, picking up stuff as I do this. I really need to drive somewhere tomorrow. So I thought, how could I solve this problem? I could go buy an oil filter wrench, or I could print one. So that will probably be coming up next. I'll show you. I'll even let you know how it works. Unfortunately, this one's going to be about a 6 to 7 hour print. So hope I can wait that long. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.